Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to arrange the tool palette in Clip Studio Paint interface. First, we have to understand each window what the function is. This is the main tool palette. All the tools, the icons of all the tools are displayed right here. And for some tools, there are several subtools under the same tool. Like the selection tool, there are two sub-tools under this main tool, selection area and auto select. So if you select this tool icon, and here it's sub-tool palette, two of the sub-tools are gonna be displayed right here, and you can choose under each sub-tool. What do we call this? Sub-tool? I don't know, small sub-tool. You decide. So when you choose one of the sub-tool, and the tool property palette gonna show you all the information about this exact sub-tool, and you can adjust everything right here. And the things I need to mention today is actually everything here in the tool palette or sub-tool palette is movable and deletable and retrievable. Retrievable? Recoverable? Is that which one is better word? Yeah, I mean, you get what I mean. You can delete them or you can get them back. Let me show you. If you want to delete a tool you don't want, just click here and right click and delete. See, you delete it. And if you want to get them back, click here, the 3 dash icon is a quick menu, and add from default, and you can get them back. What did I just delete it? I don't remember. Anyway, you can find all the tools or sub-tools right here and get them back. Also, there's something I need to mention. Like for example, some subtools you use quite often, like this balloon tool. If you use this balloon tools quite often, or this flash tool quite often, let's say you use balloon tool quite often, you can actually upgrade it from a subtool to the main toolbar. You can drag this tool and you can put it in the main tool palette. Put it right here, and whenever you click this one, there's no subtool gonna show here, only this tool, because this tool you have like upgraded into the main toolbar. He is the leader right now, and yeah, you can just directly choose it from here. And also the subtools, you can also arrange the orders to put something you like in the front. And also, of course, you can delete them and get them back. And this tool palette, tool property bar, there are different like color or size, or it depends on which subtool you choose. It's quite different from each other. One thing I need to mention is not everything, every property are shown in this area. There are some hidden ones, and you can actually find them here in this range icon. You see, with this range icon, when you click it, this subtool detail window will pop up, and you can find everything you need to adjust is right here. And actually, what's this eye icon right here? It's actually decides what's gonna show on the tool property palette. Like if you everything with an eye icon right here gonna show here. If you close it, and it's gonna like here, sharp angles. You can find sharp angles, the checkbox. If you uncheck, if you hide this eye icon, this checkbox is gonna disappear from the tool property palette. And So when you're familiar with a subtool and you know usually which property you would like to choose and which property you would like just to leave it untouched, and you just put the eye icon on the things you would like to choose and have them shown on this two property palette so you can adjust them conveniently. And that's pretty much it for today. And I hope this helps you to arrange this two palette. And next time I will probably introduce the interface of other windows. Please stay tuned. I am Grace, the founder of Grace Toon Studio. We create Christian manga art and I do Click Studio Paint shop tutorials every day. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.